Hi, this is going to be a basic tutorial on how to install mods for Lethal Company. This is meant for Windows, but you can do it on your own platform if the game is supported on there. Let's start by extracting everything inside your Modpack folder. All right, and then we're going to start with Mod Loader. Head to your C drive where Windows is located. Go to Program Files x86, not Program Files. Let's go to Steam, Steam Apps, Common, Lethal Company. Okay, we're going to copy these three files, but not the mod loader file folder itself. And we're going to paste them right in here. And now we're going to launch the game once. You can hear it opening like normal. As it's open like normal, and then you can just quit. Maybe. There you go. All right, and now let's continue. That just effectively installs Bepin, which is the mod loader. Make sure that it's working. This is necessary. If it has worked, when you go into here, there should be a folder called plugins. And again, that's BepinEx plugins. Okay. Now let's take everything within our main Modpack and copy that over. Sorry. Copy that over. And if you also want, and if these are included, you can also take some of these as well. For the purposes of this, we'll just keep it to this. And now we're going to launch the game again. Right, and then we're just going to quit the game again. And that was just to make sure all the mods loaded okay. And now you can launch it again and begin playing. We're actually going to skip the intro cutscene here. All right, and when you join into a game, you know what? We'll just do this. Don't worry about the name of my saves, by the way. It should be working as normal. For example, here we have our colored suits. So yeah, that's how you install mods for Lethal Company.